Sanibona Zamani Zulu Nation, welcome to another episode of Learn Zulu Every Day. Today we're going to be looking at our website, zamanizulu.co.za, as you can see there, and just a little greetings and small talk dialogue. As you can see there's also a Memrise course that I've put on memrise.com. There's an app you can download as well and just practice the listening, and there's little quiz things after you've gone over something. You can practice which goes where. Is it sawubona or sanibona or whatever? I forgot, sorry. Sanibona Zamani Zulu Nation, and you all say yebo sawubona, and I say ninjani, how are all of you? And you all say siyaphila, wena unjani? Nami ngiyaphila, ngiyabonga. Okay, so let's get into it. So let me be Sipho and you be Haley. Sawubona sisi. You say yebo sawubona buti. Unjani? Sisi, sister, buti, brother. Just use politely, as if you don't know someone, the Zulu world becomes your extended family. So if anybody looks your brother's age or your mother's age, you call them accordingly. So you ask me, how am I? Unjani? I say ngiyaphila sisi. For now you are Haley or Sisi. Wena unjani? How are you? Namhlanje, today. You say nami, even me. I think that's where Trevor Noah gets it from. Even me, nami. Me too. Ngiyaphila buti. Gubani igama lakho. Okay. So now my sign for name, igama. Gubani, what is igama lakho? What is your name? And I say, hi, igama lami ngingusipho. Ngubani igama lakho? I'm asking you, what is your name? Ngubani igama lakho? And you can put your own name in there. So I say, ngubani igama lakho, buti or sisi? And you say, igama lami ngu Haley, whichever. Oh, ngiyabona Haley. I see Haley. Manje uqhamukaphi? Where are you from, Haley? Hi, mina ngiqhamuka eMelika. I'm from America. So we have Haley from America. And you ask me, nawe uqhamukaphi? Where, and you, where are you from? Mina ngiqhamuka, I come from ngiqhamuka eMpangeni. Now, if you're a Zulu person from Mpangeni, that means you umZulu Paka, a real Zulu, a real Zulu, umZulu Paka. So I'm asking you, uhlala pi, hlala, live, pi, where, uhlala pi manje, in eThekwini, in Durban, eThekwini, Edubane, Kwelika banana. It's my favorite word for Durban. Kwelika banana, the land of bananas. Uhlala live pi, uhlala pi manje now. eThekwini. Where do you live now in Durban? And you say, Haley's line says, mina ngihlala, I live KwaMasqa. KwaMasqa is in Cato Manor area in Durban. And it's short for KwaMasqawule. Uqhawula, if I meet you, I say hello, and we qhawula, we shake hands. KwaMasqawule. So that means the houses are so close together. When you stick your head out your house, you have to greet your neighbor because you're so close together. So KwaMasqawule, let's shake hands, basically, because you live so close together. And you ask me, wena uhlalaphi? Where do you stay? And I say, mina ngihlala, I live, eBonela. Okay, I live in Bonela. You can say, oh, I see. Cool, okay. Oh, ngiyabona, I see, Buti. Cool, so we'll leave it there for there, and we'll carry on, we'll recap this tomorrow, and carry on with the rest of the conversation tomorrow as well. So watch the video again if you want to have a recap on greetings. Until tomorrow, salani kahle, bye bye.